Urban pop megastar Jason Derulo is one of the world's most successful songwriters and recording artists, and racking up 11 platinum singles so far, with many more to come. He's here to share his genius as well as learn from the unique experience of working with some of Africa's hottest artists. Locko, Mr. Bao, and Denise are ready to choose which Jason Derulo hit they'll be reworking. Cameroon's ultra-versatile Locko can just about do anything. He brings a range of musical styles together to create fire in the studio and on stage. Mr. Bao is a Mozambican national treasure whose reputation is growing like wildfire across the continent and beyond. Denise from Madagascar featured earlier in the series as one of our big break artists. She's grabbed the opportunity with both hands and now finds herself in the enviable position of working with some of Africa's biggest names and one of the world's biggest stars. Right now, they're getting in the zone as they prepare to put a fresh spin on a Jason Derulo mega hit.
Mr. Paul!
Today, we will do a cover of Jason Derulo's song, and we will decide here with my colleagues which one will be the best option.
Alright, cool, guys. So, what's your choice?
This song has a lot of rhythm and a lot of collaborations to it, and it's a good idea to work on it and to bring our own colors to it.
So let's work on it and make it even a better song.
Right?
Of course.
So you guys have some ideas?
This song already has a North American identity, and I also need to do something original and also bring the music back to Africa. I think it is a great idea because we do not take the song away from the roots, but we're just adding some sounds from Africa.
Locko is also a producer, so he's the one who is helping Mpo with arranging and mixing the songs.
I love the creativity. You feel you are losing yourself within that creativity. Everything is concentrated and focused.
Yes, I know that you feel me.
So we had to do some harmonies that identified with Africa.
What you doing? Oh. Oh, shit.
We are about to listen to the final product, the hit, and Jason Derulo appears.
Yes.
Yo.
Whoa! Hey! Hey! We did not expect him to come at this time. So to be honest, you know, I was very, very nervous.
How you doing, darling?
We started working on trumpets.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Hey!
I am anxious. I really want to see what his opinion will be.
And the trumpets, there you go.
Hey!
We took his song and did it in our own way. Yes. Yeah. I was scared of what he was going to say.
So, it's Malagasy. It's my own language.
Oh, I love that.
So, I think it's not a problem because I changed it. So I was, how to say that? I was hesitate.
You
a little
hesitate?
bit,
Yeah.
yes.
I actually, that was my favorite part when that thing came and I was like, oh.
He said he liked the part that I did, and I'm very, very happy. It's exciting. And I'm very happy. I'm very happy.
See, towards the end, I felt like when y'all got into your element, it's like it all came alive to me personally. I felt like in the beginning, it was more so trying to mimic rather than being yourself.
The lesson I have learned from this experience is to stay who you are, as it makes you unique.
I can't wait to hear the finished product. I know it's going to be absolutely amazing.
I'm sure that I'll have lots of fun performing the song with the other artists as well, and I'm ready.
The track is sounding fresh, and it's now time to reveal it to the world on the Coke Studio Africa stage.
I like this song because I think it represents perfectly the spirit in Coke Studio Africa.
I believe that without doubt, this performance will be a great highlight.
that you get undressed. I see symphonies in my head. I wrote this song just looking at you. Oh, yeah. The songs they sing low, and the trumpets they go. Trumpets they go. And the drums they sing low, and the trumpets they go. Yes I know, yes I know that you feel me. Hey little mama, hey, yeah, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Hey little mama, you gon' kill somebody. Kill somebody, kill somebody. Esse teu jeito vai me matar.
It felt like a vibe, you know what I mean? And the audience went wild for it. And yeah, I mean, I gotta join the audience with that. Round of applause for them, for real, for real.
Coke Studio Africa.